What is going on, guys? It's your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently July 9th. We took one trade today. We are down 205 between four accounts, so $800 total. Then I also bought four more accounts, evals that I failed all of them. Just full port evals because I don't got time to spend on evals. But this trade was honestly not the worst trade. The only thing that I could have done better was wait for a deeper rebalance and equilibrium of this entire range. But overall, we were just so bullish. Many people said, why do you long all-time highs? I longed all-time highs last Friday, and it played out, and it's the same exact setup that I'd long any day of the week. As you guys can see, this is a setup. The only thing is we never came to EQ of this entire range, so did not play out. Many of you guys saw my live execution and messaged me, why did I long all-time highs? And that's the reason why. My setup was there, everything aligned. 5-minute fair value gap here. We tapped in on ES. As you can see, ES came down, filled this 5-minute, wicked out of this order block on ES. SMT was in place. We got a 1-minute inversion to the upside and a change of state delivery. So that's my setup right there. SMT, inversion fair value gap, CISD, enter. This would have been break even right here. Where I was targeting was standard deviation 1 of this manipulation leg, but it just dumped. So as soon as I took this loss, there was a beautiful short setup. When we came back down, we inversed all these fair value gaps, closed below this low, rebalanced back up to an order block. This could have been a nice short entry right in here. Or also you could have even waited for this 5 minutes to get inversed right here even, and it still would have been a nice short setup. Would have targeted those lows, and I missed out on this trade because I took a loss right before. But pretty upset with this. We are on a fat losing streak right now. The counts are not looking the best. Let me move my camera over real quick to there, and you guys can see this account's at 1572, so we have about 1500 drawdown left on this account. This account's down 500, 1500 drawdown, and the rest of these are down 500. So 3 accounts down 500. This one's still up 1500, but 1500 drawdown on all the accounts still could make something happen. That's 1-2 trades, but we are on a massive losing streak. We just have to be smarter with our trading going forward and be more patient, because if I waited until this got broke below, this 5-minute got inverse, this is a clear sell position right here. As soon as we inverse this 5, stops below or stops above it, targeting this fair value gap, and then you could even target all the way down here. Did not expect us to come all the way down here, but we did. I expected us to at least come to EQ of this range and then start to push back up, so I expected us to push up from here, but we just sold off completely. It is what it is. Another loss on the day. We are 0-4 on the week. These accounts are still in a not terrible position. I was at $500 in drawdown 2 weeks ago, and I brought it out of drawdown, and then we right back in drawdown. So definitely sucks taking another loss, but I know I'm a good trader and I'm gonna make it back. So just a matter of time. Just need to stay more patient tomorrow and Friday and move it forward. Honestly, just wait for a more clear setup, because really it's everything aligned, but it was just on the higher time frames it was chopped. Like if you look at the 5-minute, we never got a clear 5-minute break higher. We did get a 3-minute close above this high, CISD, but we were just bearish after we took all-time highs. But ES did not take all-time highs, so there was a massive SMT in place. But another day, another loss. What can I do now? Can't do anything but move forward. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims. And then on Friday we have no U.S. news. So I'm going to be very patient this week. The rest of the week, I need to take good trades moving forward. If I take one trade and I catch like 50 points, I'm right back to where I was pretty much. So I just need to take a good trade and stay more patient. But yeah, this was the loss we took today. I'm going to end the video off here. This is also right inside macro, so that's why I expected a continuation. This was literally the exact same model, pretty much, that I took last Friday, and it played out. So, expected the same thing today, but it did not play out. This is right inside macro. As soon as I entered, was like right after macro. Very unfortunate. I was looking for shorts after this fair value gap got inversed, but then I realized we had a 5-minute here, and we had our setup, SMT, inversion, CISD. That's all I look for. And it was there, so I took it. And I didn't even see any profit on this trade. I saw this little wick, and then bam, straight to stop loss. Stops me out. But this is full transparency of trading. You're not going to make money every single trade, and you are going to go on losing streaks, just like how I am. But without further ado, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And join the Discord down below. Let's see if anybody took a trade today. Could not trade that price action day. That's funny. But make sure you guys use code Zach on Apex. 80% off is still running. They just renewed their 80%, so there's 80% for 10 more days, I think it is. So definitely use code Zach, and I appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys go check out this vlog as well. Let's see how the vlog's doing. Let's refresh. It's not doing as good as my last vlog. My last vlog did very nice within the first 24 hours. This one only has 19 views, and the first one got 360 almost, and it had over 200 in the first 24 hours. So this one's clearly not as good as a vlog, but obviously I think it's a very good vlog. Also, I'm waiting to hear back from the apartment. I applied to this one. Let me show you guys. I applied to this apartment here. Instead of a 1-bedroom, it will be a studio because they had no 1-bedrooms with this view. And I don't mind a studio personally, so it'll be a studio with honestly a better view than this. As you guys can see in this view, this building is in the way. The apartment I applied for is over, more right, and also it's higher up. It's 2 levels higher than this view. So it should be a real nice view if I get approved, which that's honestly such a sick view. I could wake up to this every morning. The sunset or sunrise would be right above here too. And then at nighttime, the city lights. It's going to be a sick place if I can get approved. So praying to God I get approved. But also I start my new job tomorrow at a restaurant. So I'm going to be working from 3 to 11 pretty much every day. So still going to be getting my trade recaps out. Just probably less vlogs, and I'm still going to get the same amount of short form. So it's not really going to change anything. The only thing it will change is the classes. I'm going to have to talk to Travis and see when we could reschedule our classes to. Maybe like he might need to host Wednesday nights by himself, and then I could join Sundays if we could switch it to like noon. But without further ado, I'm going to end the video off here. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all.